Welcome to your roadmap from debt to Crorepati. This journey toward financial freedom starts right now. Achieving wealth isn't just about earning more. It's about managing what you have effectively. Financial freedom means your assets cover your lifestyle, giving you control over your time. We are turning the narrative of debt into a powerful story of long-term wealth creation. Phase 1 focuses on the biggest barrier, managing and eliminating high-interest debt. Start by listing every single debt and its interest rate. Transparency is your greatest tool. Choose your path, the Avalanche method for interest efficiency or Snowball for psychological momentum. Create a budget to optimize your cash flow, freeing up every possible dollar for debt repayment. Once debt is managed, Phase 2 is about securing your financial foundation. Build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses to protect your progress. Living below your means is the silent engine that powers your ability to invest and grow. Now, Phase 3, investing consistently to reach the Crorepati milestone. Understand compound interest. It is the miracle that turns small, consistent efforts into significant wealth. Protect your capital through diversification across various asset classes to manage market risk. Consistency beats timing the market. Automate your investments to ensure long-term growth. Financial freedom is within your reach with the right structure and commitment. Patience, discipline, and persistence are the traits that define successful wealth builders. Take your first step today by listing your debts and planning your financial future.